In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see comments and replies on threads. If you're new to the platform or you're just not sure how to open up the full conversation under a post, this walkthrough will clear everything up. I'll guide you through the simple actions you need to take, and I'll also explain what you're actually seeing on screen so you can follow discussions more easily. First, make sure you're on your Threads home dashboard, sometimes called your feed. This is the main screen you land on after logging in, where you see a scrolling list of posts from people you follow, as well as recommended content. Take a moment to scroll through until you find the specific thread you're interested in. It could be something you posted yourself, or a post from another account that you'd like to explore in more detail. Once you've found the thread, the key is to click directly on the body of the post. That means clicking on the text of the thread itself or on an empty area inside that post box. Try to avoid only hitting icons like, reply, or share for now, because those can trigger different actions. What you want is to open the thread, not just add your own comment right away. When you click into that body area, Threads will open a dedicated view for that single post. This expanded view is where the entire conversation is displayed. At the top, you'll see the original thread, and right underneath it, you'll start to see the responses. Now you can simply scroll down to read everything. The first set of comments you see under the original thread are the top-level comments. These are direct responses to the main post. Under some of those, you'll also notice indented replies or nested responses. Those are the sub-replies, where people are replying to specific comments instead of the original thread. As you move down the page, keep an eye on how the comments are visually grouped. Top-level comments usually align closer to the left, while replies to those comments are slightly indented, making it easier to follow who is responding to whom. If a conversation is long, just keep scrolling. Threads will load more as you go, and that's all you need to do. Go to your home feed, click on the body of the thread you care about, and then scroll through the expanded conversation to read all the comments and replies.